ever see one of these come around the corner? They have to block off everything to get this around off the highway. So now that they got everything blocked, and he's coming around the corner. He'll be coming around the corner when he comes. So they getting off the highway going to the truck stop. So they have to block off the highway. But I wanted to let y'all see that before I get on the highway. And they made it. They made the turn. So these routes that they go on is already, the routes that they go on is already pre-done. So here comes another one. So I'm going to let y'all see that one. How they get around the corner. Here comes another one, just like the other one. Could you imagine driving one of those, y'all? You have to be very, very careful. You got to swing wide. But these, their routes of where they go is so precise, and they have a team with them, so they have pilot cars and everything to stop the traffic. So it's a sight to see. So it was 3 of them. So once this one gets around the corner, then we'll be on our way. And that one made it as well. Bye, y'all.